That is the sound of disappointment. How many handheld vacuums have you been through? 2, 3. I've tested 25 of them, from the cheap ones to the ridiculously expensive. But after all that testing, I found 4 that don't just suck, they dominate. One of them has a feature so smart it's going to change how you clean forever. All the links to check prices and grab the one you like are in the description below. Let's find your perfect clean. Starting at number 1. Shark UltraCyclone PET Pro Plus, CH951, CH964 AMZ. The Shark UltraCyclone PET Pro Plus is the best cordless handheld vacuum we've tested. This compact model excels at clearing away solid debris on bare surfaces like countertops, shelves, tile, and hardwood floors. It's also powerful enough to draw out debris from rugs and carpets. Though on the larger side for a handheld, it's still small enough to stow away in most cupboards and closets. It has a sizable 0.11 gallon, 0.40 L, dirt compartment, so you won't need to empty it after every cleaning job. The CH951 variant comes with a crevice tool, a hard bristle brush, and a miniature turbo brush with a self-cleaning brush roll for cleaning upholstered surfaces. The mini turbo brush tool isn't very practical. It's pretty bulky and does a poor job of dealing with pet hair, so you're better off using the hard bristle brush to deal with strands of hair on furniture. It's not a perfect product, though. The vacuum's 10-minute battery life is poor, even by the low standards of other handheld vacuums, so you'll need to work fast when cleaning larger messes. Even worse, the battery isn't user-replaceable, so you can't swap in a new pack if the old one doesn't hold a charge as well as it used to. It also does a terrible job of sealing in particles like pet dander or dust, with fine particles easily escaping from its exhaust. Number 2. Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you're looking for the best cordless handheld vacuum we've tested at a wallet-friendly price point, get the Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum. While it isn't as sturdy as the Shark UltraCyclone PET Pro Plus build-wise and is a little bulkier, it has a few advantages aside from its lower price tag. For example, its dustbin is bigger, and its replacement filters are less expensive. It excels when it comes to sucking up debris on hard surfaces like countertops or hardwood floors, and it does a good job of dealing with debris in cracks and crevices, thanks to a built-in crevice tool. Unfortunately, the selection of attachments is very limited, with only the aforementioned slide-out crevice tool and a flip-out hard bristle brush. There's no upholstery tool or miniature turbo brush to make cleaning fabric furniture easier. Plus, it can only run for a little over 10 minutes on a single charge and takes over 3 hours to recharge. Like the Shark, the battery isn't removable or replaceable. This means if the original battery's performance degrades over time, you can't easily swap in a new pack. Number 3. BISSELL AeroSlim / TurboSlim. If you prioritize portability above all else, the BISSELL AeroSlim / TurboSlim is the best portable vacuum we've tested. With a very compact body, just a little smaller than a 2-liter bottle of soda, it's a different type of handheld vacuum compared to something like the Shark UltraCyclone PET Pro Plus or the Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum. Its small form factor makes it easy to carry around or stow away when not in use, but its design has downsides. It has a small, weak suction motor that struggles to lift heavier debris away, as well as a tiny dirt compartment that fills quickly. Bulky debris can clog its suction nozzle, and debris can fall out of the dustbin and back out the suction inlet if you overfill it. This handheld is better suited for quick cleanups of small, lightweight debris on hard surfaces like countertops, shelves, or even tile and hardwood floors. It can run for about 15 minutes on a single charge, which is normal for a vacuum of this size and intended use. While there's no wide aperture upholstery nozzle or miniature turbo brush tool for cleaning larger fabric surfaces, this vacuum has a crevice tool to extend your reach in tight spots. It also comes with a slide-on soft bristle brush for cleaning dust off delicate surfaces. Unfortunately, recharging via its included USB adapter takes over 3 hours, and its battery isn't replaceable, limiting the overall lifespan of the device. Number 4. Shark WANDVAC. If you suffer from allergies and want a more effective vacuum for sealing fine particles like dust or pet dander, check out the Shark WANDVAC. Compared to the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus and most other handheld vacuums, it has a pretty tiny dirt compartment, so you'll be emptying its dustbin at the end of almost every cleaning session. However, it does a much better job of sealing in allergens with the standard filter, which isn't even HEPA-rated. Plus, you can get third-party compatible HEPA-rated filters if you want to further increase its filtration performance. The vacuum is only slightly larger than the highly compact BISSELL AeroSlim/TurboSlim, making it a cinch to stow away in a drawer or cupboard when not in use. This vacuum has a few variants. We recommend going with the pricier WV201 variant over the WV200, as it includes a low-profile charging dock with room for its included attachments, so you won't have to find another place to tuck them away when they aren't in use. Although there's no miniature turbo brush for cleaning carpeted or fabric surfaces, the included straight suction upholstery tool is still effective in dealing with messes on furniture. Unfortunately, the Shark's battery lasts only around 10 minutes on a full charge, and like many other handheld vacuums, the battery isn't removable or replaceable. And that's the lineup from the budget king to the absolute powerhouse. One of these four is the solution to your messes. My personal favorite for everyday use is the mention your one pick, e.g. XYZ model, but your needs might be different. All the direct links to buy every single model we talked about are in the video description. Go check them out. If this review saved you time and money, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube you found this helpful. Share this video with a friend or family member who's always battling spills and messes, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews that actually help you decide. See you in the next one.